Dry logs burn quickly in the stove. I am burning some old letters right now. I have burnt the toast again. The candle has been burning all night. I burnt my hand on the kettle yesterday. The fire was burning brightly when we arrived. The cottage had burnt down before the firefighters came. The lamp had been burning for hours before it went out. I will burn these dead leaves in the garden. The bonfire will be burning late into the night. By dawn, the fire will have burnt out completely. By midnight, the torch will have been burning for 6 hours.